Welcome to this easy English story for beginners. In this video, you will listen to a short and simple story to help you learn English through listening. This is a great way to practice English listening and understand English in a fun way. Let's begin the story. The Boy Who Lived Before.
Chapter 1. The Boy Who Spoke the Past. Sam, just 10, told his mom, "My wife's name is Lily." She laughed, but he said, "I lived before. My name was Daniel. I died in a fire." He cried, "Please, I need to go back. I remember the road." Sam said things he never learned. He fixed clocks, named places, and drew a map. "I lived here," he said. His parents thought it was a game, but he cried each night. "I miss her," he said. "I want to go home." His parents agreed to follow the map. It led to a far, quiet village. Sam said, "Turn right, now left." Soon, they reached an old, broken house. "This was my house," Sam whispered. Sam ran inside. "Stop," an old man shouted. "That house burned 50 years ago." Sam said, "You are Mr. Thomas, my neighbor." The man froze. "How do you know that?" Chapter 2. The Past Comes Alive. In the house, Sam lifted a floorboard. A box inside held papers, a watch, and a photo. The man looked like Sam. A letter said, "To my wife Lily, I will love you always." It was signed, Daniel. Mr. Thomas sat down. Daniel lived here and died in a fire. Sam asked, "Did he have a daughter?" The old man nodded. "She was a baby." Sam whispered, "I never got to hold her." Sam's story spread. Reporters came. A scientist asked, "What did you see when you died?" Sam said, "No light. I just woke up as a baby again." "Why remember?" "Because I never said goodbye." A woman named Lily came. She was now 52. She looked at Sam. "You look like my father." Sam smiled. "Did you get my letter?" Lily began to cry. It was real. Chapter 3. Is it real? The scientist gave Sam 10 photos of houses. "Pick yours." Sam chose right. He knew old things. "This clock was a wedding gift," he said. All his answers were true. Sam had strange dreams. In sleep, he said, "I'm proud of you, and I will go again." His parents grew afraid. "Will we lose him?" his mother asked softly. They visited Daniel's grave. Sam placed flowers. "Goodbye," he said. "Now I can live as Sam." A butterfly passed. Sam smiled. "That's him," Lily said, saying goodbye. On after that day, Sam changed. He stopped talking about Daniel. He made new friends. "Thank you for believing me," he told his parents. But sometimes he still looks at the sky and smiles. Chapter 4. A New Beginning. When Sam turned 18, he wrote a book called The Life I Lived Before. Many people read it. Some believed, some didn't. But Sam knew his truth. Sam made a group. People came with strange memories. "I saw a sea I've never been to," one said. "I dreamed of a war I never fought," said another. "You are not alone," Sam said. Scientists still don't know how Sam remembered. Was it real or something else? His story gave hope. It made people believe that maybe love never truly dies. Sam lives a quiet life. He teaches kids to be kind and brave. Sometimes a child says, "You look familiar." Sam just smiles. Maybe we met in another life.
This is the end of the story. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this easy English story for beginners and want to learn more English, please subscribe to my channel. Click the like button. And share this video with your friends. Every like and share helps the channel grow. Tell me in the comments, what kind of story should I make next? See you in the next story.